if you want to do better with women, if you want to attract your dream girl, how do you do that? If you want to do better with women, one thing that you have to understand is that you have to have the ability to make women feel safe and protected. Mentally, obviously that means that you can't be doing stupid things like cheating on her. Like, I don't that's not what my channel is about. So, if that's what you're into, I'd rather not have you be, on my channel. But the truth is if you can make a woman feel, if you can make a woman feel like she can trust you and she can be safe with you and she can feel comfortable with you, that can really go a long way in having an amazing relationship. If she doesn't trust you and she doesn't feel safe with you, you're just not going to experience, I mean, obviously sexually it's going to affect that, but more importantly, you're just not going to have the same type of relationship, if you can't make her feel safe and protected.